You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alright, let's do it. Let's get married. Jade, that's you. We met in primary school, then again in high school, but it was not until 10 years later we really started talking.
It's crazy to think that I had a crush on you in primary school and nearly 15 years had passed before we reconnected again.
You finally made it up here to the tropics in far north Queensland, and look how gorgeous this moment is. Surrounded by nature, wildness, and the one you love. And the other half that makes you feel complete.
I know you say I slid into your DMs, but never did I expect us to have so much in common, and never did I expect to fall in love with you so easily.
I smiled and laughed so much that once our first unofficial date was over, I was already looking forward to seeing you again. Then we had our first official date. Then after that, I knew what was to come. It felt right, something unexplainable but unquestionable, which has now brought us to this present day.
I still remember how I felt when we rode our motorbikes to Sirame and sat across from each other talking for hours. And it's still one of my favourite moments, as I even knew then that there was something unexplainable between us.
You love your campfires, you love getting out there and kind of conquering your fears. You love your motorbike adventures and all things fun. And I think for the two of you, there's truly nothing better than just holding each other and slow dancing around the living room with your best friend. Especially when that best friend is the love of your life too. And the really super cool part is that as beautiful as this wedding day is, your marriage is something else entirely more magical. Your future is yours, and it is bright with possibilities because you actually have the power to build it and create it every single day of your marriage. And I can't help but think, how powerful and amazing is that?
Standing here today means that I get to love you every day for the rest of our lives. And it also means that I have to listen to you play Call of Duty every day for the rest of our lives.
I hope our future holds continuous love and support and commitment like it has these past years. We have overcome challenges and had one another to lean on. We have set goals together and smashed them. It's why I believe our future will continue to strive.
You have taught me that two people can choose to love each other so fiercely that they will do anything to make sure that the other feels loved, supported, and respected. And that because of that, we will be far stronger and happier than each could ever be alone.
From the day I met you, I decided to commit to loving you for who you are and for who you are yet to become. I promise to be patient and to remember that all things between us are rooted in love. I promise to nurture your dreams and help you reach them. I promise to share my whole heart with you and remember to show you how deeply I care for you. And I promise to love you loyally and fiercely.
With this cord, you are bound as one. Look upon one another and say, I am yours,
I am yours,
and you are mine.
and you are mine.
From this day
From this day
until the end of my days.
until the end of my days.
I appreciate when you offer to cook dinner even after a long day at work, and when you tell me that you love me every time we talk on the phone. I love your humour and your dedication to being a good partner, your love of culture and travel, and that you are a little bit weird. Today I vow to love you for the rest of our time, and I will love you when you're smiling and when the days feel like a struggle. I will love you when you leave dental floss anywhere but the bin. And as we grow old and our bodies change.
Today, I choose to be your husband and to carry out my vows until the last moment I have on this earth with you.
With my whole heart, I take you as my husband today. And I can't wait for the adventures that we haven't even dreamed of yet.